Good afternoon and welcome to the TerryTracker channel. Today, as you can see, we're in sunny Pattaya, Thailand again. It's another red hot one and we're just having a little mooch around. We've got nothing planned. We've come up to the top end of Beach Road where all the other videos have been down central and then going to the bottom end of Beach Road. This time we're having a mooch around the top end of Beach Road. So we've parked in Terminal 21 shopping mall. Again, free parking. And yeah, we're having a walk down towards Beach Road, see what we can see. I want to bring you with us. So this is literally the very top of Beach Road, because if you keep going that way it takes you around the bend. Everywhere in Thailand takes you around the bend. Hey! Anyways, it takes you up towards Second Road. Arguably this is the posher end of Beach Road. This is where the big hotels are, the resorts, etc. And there's not as many bars, etc. But we're heading down towards that way. Gotta see the girlies. We gotta see the girlies at the girly bar. Look at this place, Gulliver's Travel Tavern. I'd be in that. I know it's only a water feature, but you know what? I'd be using it as a pool. Like I say, this is the posher end of Beach Road. So we're currently at the top of Soi 6. I don't like filming when we go down there because the girls kind of all hide and do all sort of things. Some of them don't like it, some of them do, but anyhow, there you go. If you know, you know. So we've just come out onto Second Road and the car is parked all the way down there, and you can just catch one of these baht buses for 15 baht and that takes you back down the end of Second Road. So when you come out of Soi 6 and you turn left down Second Road, the next thing you come to is the runway market with the Pattaya Eye Wheel, but very expensive to go on. But what I like about this night market is the friggin' 747 that's parked in the middle of it. Like literally, it's 747. So for bearings, you've got Soi 6 down there on the right. This is Second Road. That's heading back towards Terminal 21. But on the right hand side, you have Central Marina, another shopping mall type thing. But it has a little market on the front, a little food market. So we've just decided to pop in here, have a quick look around. It's just starting to open up. Yeah. It's got getting music behind us. Stopped to get a bit of pineapple from there and a bit of shade because it's a hot one today. So we're back at Terminal 21, which is the shopping mall where we parked the car up. But outside this one is another friggin' aeroplane. But let's have a look around this market. We've never been to this market before, and it's just opening up. So we'll have a quick look around before heading back to the car. When you feed them too?
No, just a minute. Sorry. Go. You haven't quite got it, have you?
Thanks.
Oh, I don't know who got.
No, the two big ones are pinched it. Hold on. Hold on. It's gone. Well folks, there you have it. That was our little mooch around the top end of Beach Road and Second Road. So I hope you enjoyed that one. Please hit like, subscribe, comment, do all that good stuff. Now it's time to do a job. And in case you're wondering why I'm looking down, because I was about to go down a flight of stairs.